Trend is short. I'm gonna take one off.
Order filled.
There you go. Finally. I'm out. Not
Order
getting greedy.
filled.
Not getting greedy with this one. Alright, just wanted to go over this short that I just got out of. So, this area, this red line you see here, was a supply zone, and it was a 4-hour supply zone. So, if you look over here, you'll see this basing before we had this drop. Okay, so why I had a short thesis was, again, if we look at the daily, okay, we are very overextended on the buy side. All right, I gauge that by this EMA. Whenever we get far away from it, we chop around or we pull back. Okay, so I wasn't too convinced with this breakout, this all-time high breakout that we had yesterday. So anything could happen still, but that was just why I was short biased. So I showed you the supply zone that we had, which we came into and rejected. Now, NQ, so here, NQ is much weaker than ES today. Right? They opened up kind of flat together. NQ didn't help me with any of my analysis today, besides where to get out, and I'll get into that just now. So on the footprint, okay, when we broke into this the supply zone, you can see all the buying, okay, all that buying, and we have to see what their intention is. So this could just be strong buying, or it could be a large seller absorbing this buying up here. So I got entered at 1040. When I saw this pullback and I saw more buying here, but we couldn't continue, I got my shorts right here at 58.17. Now I wrote this down. When I got out, I was aiming for low of day. Right, I was aiming for low of day, but I was extra cautious. Right, if you look at all the delta on the way down, everything is negative delta. So all of this was large sell orders, right? Large sell orders. So it was a very slow grind down. So there's still buyers getting filled. I didn't see no large movements which would indicate that these buyers were getting stopped out. They were closing their positions. I still didn't see that yet. So they could still be accumulating. So I'm not going to go for a large move when this is what we did all day. Even if this continues, I followed my plan, so it's a win for me. Now, if we go to NQ, NQ formed this 15-minute demand zone pre-market. And as you could see, it was holding that right around where I exited. Okay. So, like I said, this can continue down, which is fine. ES was struggling with that low a day, right? As you can see here with VWAP and all of that. And it did bounce off of this demand that was created yesterday. Okay. You had a 1 hour demand zone up here. As you can see, it bounced off of that perfectly, but couldn't find more traction up here. So that's about it. We'll see if anything else happens today.